Do you suffer from low back pain? Sometimes pain that runs down the leg, like nerves? Well, here, try these exercises. This will be a supine hamstring floss. Make sure your foot's in that type of position where you're putting the top of the foot to the top of the shin to really stretch that back side. Here are some side wall plank pulses. Making sure you're engaging your core to pull yourself away from that wall. It's going to help with those low back stabilizing muscles. Here's it from the back view with tandem stance. Next, we have these Captain Morgans with rotation aspect. You're going to try to stabilize that outside of your knee by pushing it into your hand, and your hand's going to stop it. Same thing with the inside here. Inside of the knee is going to want to come towards the center of your body, and your hand's going to stop that motion. So they're doing this little push-pull activity. So your knee's pushing out into the hand, get that glute activation, stabilize the pelvis, but still round and move around the spine. Same thing with the inside of the hand here, stopping that inside of the knee. Here's a little posterior view showing that spinal flexion and rotation, but that pelvis is being activated and nice and stable. Let the back roll without having to compensate and roll with the pelvis. One more side of the little Captain Morgan type position off the bench. Good flexion and rotation of the spine while coming up out of it into that T. Next, now we gotta brace and activate the core. So here's a bird dog based activity. So you're gonna be alternating hands and opposite foot, opposite hand, reaching forward and trying not to let that pelvis roll again as if there's a ball on the low back. Now here are some shoulder taps from the knees, and then the progressed version on the toes. Again, not letting that pelvis rotate. Really hard to keep the core activated with these. And if you do those, you may find yourself feeling good to go and being able to do your normal stuff. So come on down to Functional Performance and Athletics off Poplar and 2nd Avenue to get a physical therapy evaluation in, so we can help address your current issues.